Alright, well, so got that hoe in. Next extreme task is jacking this car back up. Back on the jack stands. Taking the tire back off. Taking these damn tire, take that tire back off, jack the damn car back up. I guess push it back out too. I don't think I need to push it back out. I think I'll be okay the way it is. But yeah. And then drop that bitch, put everything back up, plug everything back up, which is gonna be a pain in the ass to do. So I might jack it up higher than I did before, but we'll see. Get back to y'all once I get everything set up before I start. Alright, world, so I'm by myself, so you really not gonna really see me do this. I don't know where my tripod is, and either way it go, the tripod ain't gonna get up in here for you to see what the fuck I'm doing, which is up in here, which is a pain in the ass because the lines only go so far, which I think I got the right height now, but I still need to, I don't think I got the right height, honestly. I'm probably gotta go up a little bit more to where I can't fucking see shit, because I don't want to reach that motherfucker. It's either that or I'll do it like this for now. And that should help out with those two. Where's the third one? Oh, it's right there. Okay. So I should be able to connect all of them. Hopefully. But y'all ain't gonna see that. But yeah. That's where I'm at.